Smiling at your face, them a chat behind your back. One like them a sheep, but them a wolf in a pack. Now make them be your witnesses, a tail and give your crap.
Wagwan, hope all this was. Today is Saturday, December 19th, and this video is an update with Spice. For us, Spice seems to be having a rough week, but maybe in Spice eye, it's an eye-opening week for with everything that's going on. However, when she did do her live, she requested that VP Records release Frenz, because you know she did do a mixtape where she called it what Captured, and few things she was explaining that's going on with that. Anyway, back to this. So VP Records took to their Instagram and they post us, and you shall receive this the season of giving at Spice Official, hashtag Frenz dropping soon, finger crossed, tag 3 friends below, tell them it'll come. And they did keep their word and they released it today, December the 19th, and Spice just went through the roof after she was doing her Christmas decorating with her kids and Justin. So have a look.
Guess what? Let me catch my breath. Woo! I'm gonna run go outside and run around the house 3 times. Guess what? VP Records just released Frenz No Good. The song named Frenz. F-R-E-N-Z. Me don't know what going on now, but them lit the nail on the air right here. Play 2. 1. Frenz No Good for you, girl. But I know I will learn the hard way. What Frenz? One like them a sheep, but them a wolf in a pack. Now make them be your witnesses, a tail and give a crack. Question! Say them love you, don't fall for that. Bob Marley did sing that all around the world. Friends will sell you out for 2 shillings and pearl. Mama used to tell me, Frenz not good for you, girl. But I know I will learn the hard way. Mama used to beg me, stay away from them girls. But I know I would face it anyway. I hypocrite them. Master back would be sister, your brother. Your fuck we see ya, who would have pull your trigger? Live your life, everybody has to pray. Watch your friends more than your enemy. It don't matter what they come and say. They don't want to see you on your way. They pull your back whatever you say. Under the ground, but a prayer again. Mama used to tell me, rap, rap, rap. But I know I will learn the hard way. Mama used to beg me, stay away from them girls. But I know I would face it anyway. I hypocrite them, stay in my zone, cause I'm good for me own. I know everybody feel know where you call on. When them call you your friend, they feel watch out with them cars. Mama used to say, Mama used to tell me, Frenz no good for you, girl. But I know I will learn the hard way. Mama used to beg me, stay away from them girls. But I know I would face it anyway. I hypocrite them.